Welcome to Hovenweep National Monument. Here you can explore the amazing architecture left over by the ancestral Puebloan culture of the 13th century across several sites. Near the park's main group of ruins is a developed campground, reservable on recreation.gov. To follow is a site-by-site exploration, filmed on July 14th of 2026, where you will see all the campsites. Our hope is that this site-by-site tour helps you choose a perfect campsite for your upcoming trip. Don't forget to subscribe for more campground drive-thrus like this one, and we hope you have an amazing time exploring Hovenweep National Monument. Planning a camping trip can be a tricky business on popular reservation systems. Is my site private? How's the driveway length for my RV? What are other people saying about a site? Campvue is a new app designed to make choosing a campsite simple and fun. Think of it as part Yelp and part Google Street View. But for campsites, on Campvue you can see a site in detail before you book it, or read a review by fellow campers to learn what makes a site good or bad. Best of all, Campvue is free to use, no account required. So whether you're camping this weekend or with the family next summer, you'll want to head on over to campvue.com and see how Campvue is the best tool to help you plan your next camping trip like a pro. Campvue. Find your perfect site.